Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google Authenticator on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and download an Android emulator like BlueStacks on your computer. Search for it and open the official website. Then, click on the download button and install it. Once the emulator is installed, open it and go to the Google Play Store. Search for Google Authenticator, then install and launch the app inside the emulator. After opening Google Authenticator, click the plus icon to add a new account. You will see two options: scan a QR code or enter a setup key manually. Since most PC emulators do not use a camera easily, the setup key option is usually the better choice. Now, go to the account you want to secure, and the website will provide a setup key that you can copy and paste into the Authenticator. Next, give the account a name, leave the type as time-based, and click Add. The app will instantly generate a verification code. Finally, enter that code back on the website to confirm the setup. So that's basically how you can use Google Authenticator on PC. That's it for this video. Thanks!